Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2A Trees Inventory. Require textbook, PC and MS. So open the Excel 2A Tree Inventory, and if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2A tree inventory and Go 22 Excel chapter 2 graders to 2A homework tree inventory. So download the materials and download the all files. So go to the download and open the Word files and Excel files. So and Excel files. So assignment title is Excel 2A inventory. Excel 2A inventory and total activities is 20 activities. So copy the titles and go to the instructions, two inventories. So open the instructions Excel chapter 2 using the function and creating the table and managing large workbooks. So projects is 2A and 2B. So go to the main instruction files in questions and project is 2A grader instruction and 2A simulation training and review. So go to the main step. In your storage location, create the folder names Excel chapter 2 from my lab IT. Download the files for projects Excel 2A trees inventory and the saves file your Excel chapter 2 zip folder necessary, and take a moment to review Excel 2A trees instruction and note the any recent updates. So go to the main questions. So question number 1 is Excel chapter 2, and double click the Excel file, download my lab ITs and displays your names student Excel 2A inventory trees 2A trees inventory. So I have already downloaded the Excel 2A tree inventory, and next is below the worksheets, and notice that there are two sheets in this workbook and indicating that there are two worksheets in the workbooks and sheet. Click the sheet once, make sure that is the active worksheets. Go to the Excel sheet once, and in the column headings area, column C, pointers, and drag to CD home tabs and cell group, insert the buttons and insert the sheet columns. So insert the sheet column B and C and D. So select the column C and D, right clicks and click the insert. So insert the C and D home tabs and insert the sheet columns. And next is, so click the C11, type the 13129s and then formula tabs. Click the enter to confirm entry and keep the C11 as the active cell. So copy the value and paste the value in cell C11. So select the cell C11 and paste the value, press enter. And next is on the home tabs and editing, groups, click the fill and click the flash fill. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the flash fill. So next is enter the C11 and using the flash fill, and next is go to the next question and C11 and flash fill options and undo the flash fill, accept the select the 28 and click the cell D11, type the oaks on the formula bars and enter the keep D11 is the active and press Ctrl E. The keyboard and shortcut is the flash fill. So copy the title and paste the title in cell D11. So select the D11 and paste the press enters, and next is apply the flash fill. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups, click the flash fills, and next is select the column B and home tabs in the cell groups, click the delete button and click the delete the sheet column. So select the column B and home tabs and cell groups and delete button arrow and delete the sheet column. Delete the sheet column. So save your file. So click the save your files, and next is in cell B10 type item mesh and then press enter and select the column C. Home tabs, clipboards groups and click the cut. If necessary, scroll up so that the cell H1 and click the H1 is the make active cell in the clipboard groups and click the upper portion of the paste button. So copy the title and paste the title in cell B10. So copy the title and paste the title in cell B10. So select the B10s and paste, press enter, and next is home tabs and clipboard groups and click the cut and H1 is the paste. So select the column C, click the cut and paste column H1s, select the H1s and paste column H. So cut column C and paste column H, and next is select and then column C and select the column A to G in the cell groups and click the format and then click auto fit column A. So select the column C, right clicks and click the delete column C and delete column C and select the A to G in the cell groups, click the format and then click the auto fit with column. So select the column A to G and apply the auto fit columns A to G. Select the column A and G and apply the auto fit column. Apply the auto fit columns, and next is A1 and H1 and then home tabs in the alignment groups, click the merge and center in the style groups, click the cell styles and then click title, merge and center A2 across the range A2 H2 and apply the heading 1 cell styles, compare your screen and save your workbook. So copy the range A1 to H1s and paste the range, press enter, and next is A1 to H1s home tabs alignment groups and click the merge and centers. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers, and next is style groups and click the cell style and click the title cell styles. Apply the title cell styles. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups and apply the title cell styles. And merge and center A2 across the range A2 to H2. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Apply the heading 1 cell styles and save your workbook. So next is click the cell B4, click the formula tabs and then function library groups, click the upper portion of the auto sum buttons. So select the B4 and click the formula and function library groups, click the auto sum options. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the auto sum. And next is AutoSum with the insertion point blinking in the function. Type the cell range A11 to A39. A11 to A39 to A39 and press enter. So result is 3022. Click the cell B4, look at the formula and then compare your screens. And click the cell B5 on the formula tab in the function library groups. Click the more functions in the statistically point average and notice the screen tips, compare screens. So select the B5 and insert the average function. So type the average functions and average functions and range is D11 to D39. So type the D11 to D39, close bracket and press enter. So result is 107. So result is click OK and 107.89. And next is click the cell B6 in the function library groups. Click the more function, display the list statistically functions. Scroll down necessary and then click the median function in cell B6. So select the B6, type is equal to and type the median functions. Type is equal to, type the median function and type the D11 to D39. So D11 to D39 and close bracket and press enter. So result is 107.99. And next is save your files. Click the save your file and go to the next page. Click the cell B7 formula tabs in the function library groups. Click the more functions and statistically functions if the necessary and click the minimum functions and delete the text number ones and type the D11 to D39. So select the B7, type is equal to, type the minimum functions and range is D11 to D39, close bracket and press enter. So result is 102. And next is click the cell B8 and then using the similar techniques insert the max functions and highest retail price and check your results is 170.98. So select the B8, type is equal to, type the maximum functions and range is D11 to D39, 11 to D39 and press enter. So result is 117.98 and point to cell B4, right clicks and then on the mini toolbars click the comma styles and then click the decrease decimal. So select the B4 and right clicks and comma styles and decrease decimal 2 times, comma style and decrease decimals 2 times. And next is select the range B5 to B8, copy the range and apply the counting number formats and click the save your files. So paste the range, press enter and apply the counting number formats and click the save your files. we move to the next page, and next is select the column E, home term cell groups, and select the column E and then home tabs, and in the cell groups click the formats column with this number and column with box selected the type 5. So select the column E and right click and click the column with this, so column with this 5 and click OK and click OK. So column E with this 5, and next is select the range A4 to B8, A4 to B8, and drag the arranged rights to the screen tips D4 to E8 and mouse button, and notice the series of symbols display the column E and point to any cell display. So select the range A4 to B8 and move the D4 to E8. Move the D4 to E8, and next is so select the column D and E, and the column heading area point to the height of boundaries of column E to display the pointer. Double clicks auto fit the column, accommodate the weighted entry in each column. So select the column D and E. So select the column D and E and apply the auto fit columns, and D and E and apply the auto fit columns. And next is select the range D4 to E8 on the home tabs. In the style groups display the cell styles, and under the theme cell styles 20% SN1. So paste the range D4 to E8, press enter. So select the range, and next is style groups and click the cell styles to theme cell style 20% SN1 cell style. So 20% SN1 cell styles, 20% SN1 cell styles, and save your workbook. So next is in cell C6 type the tree statistics. So copy the title and paste the title in cell C6. So select the C6 and paste the tree statistics, and next is click the format cell, and in the format cell dialog box click the alignment tabs and text control my cell and check the box under the orientation. Click the in the degrees of box to select the values type 13s. So right click and click the format cells and click the alignments and click the merge cells, merge cells, merge cells, and orientation degree to 13s and degree to 13s, degree 13s, and click OK. So next is format set and click OK, and home tabs font size, font group, and font size to 14s, and font size to 14s, and then bold and italics, font color arrow, fifth column, first color, bold and italics, and font color arrow is fifth column, first colors, fifth column, first colors, and alignment groups and align right. and alignment is right, margin sense, alignment is right. And next is in the row headings area, row 9s, and display the shortcut and insert the in the row headings area and point row 9s and then right clicks. So next is in the row heading area, point row 9 and then right click to select the row, display the shortcut menu and click the insert and then press F4 two times and repeat the last insert to additional blank row. So select the row 9s, right clicks and click the inserts and press F4 two times. F4 is two times. And next is format the headings area and select the row 9 to elements on the home tabs editing groups and click the clear and then click the clear formats and remove to the blue accent color in the column D and D from the new row, click save. So select the row 9 to 11s, 9 to row 11s, home tab editing groups and click the clears and click the clear format. So go to the home tabs, go to the editing groups and click the clear the format, clear the formats and accent in the and click the save files, and click the save. And next is in cell if force and formula bar, that notice that the arguments of the sum function adjusted refer to the shared cells row 42, row 42. So select the E4, A42, A42 argument sums and so go to the sheet 2, type the A10, so select the E4 and formula type arguments and A42. So select the E4, A42, A42 sum functions and go to the next page. And next is in cell A10 type the oak tree. So copy and select the A10s and type the oak tree. With the cell B10 is the active cell, formula tabs in the function library groups and click the more function and then display the list statistically function and click the content function. So select the B10, B10 and click the content functions and range is G42, G42. So select the B10s and function library and click the content function. So type is equal to type the content function and open the content function dialog box. Open the content function dialog box and range is G42, G42. Range is G42, G42 and criteria box type oak and criteria is oak and click OK. So result is 13. Click OK, and on the home tabs in the alignment groups and click the align left. Alignment groups and click the align left, and alignment groups and click the align left and save your workbook. Click the cell H13, type the stock levels. So copy the title and paste the title in cell H13 and press enter in the stock levels. And next is H14 function library groups. Click the logically and then click if and delete the function arguments and dialog box, and with the insertion points A14 less than 75. So insert the if functions, type is equal to, type the if functions, open the if function dialog box, open the if function dialog box and logical text box, logical text box A14 less than 75, A14 and less than 75, and next is value if true is orders, value if true is order, and value if false is OK, value if false is click OK, and again OK. And next is use the fill handle to copy the function cell H14 down through H42, the scroll necessary A18 which then contain the 75, H18 and stock levels, and click OK. Click OK, and H42, 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 and H18 to stock level, H82, H18, notice that the stock level, and save your workbook. Click the save your workbook. And next is H42. H42 is the selected home tabs and style group. Click the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and text that contains, and first box type orders, and order display with the default formats and light red, fill with the dark red text. So copy the range H42 to H42 and paste the range, press enter. And next is home tab style groups and conditional formatting, highlight cell rule and text that contains. So go to the home tabs and go to the conditional formatting, highlight text that contains, and type the orders, and light red dark with the dark text, light red fill with the dark red text, click OK. And next is in the seconds box, click the arrow and then in the list and click the custom formats and font groups and font style bold and italics, color arrow and then theme color last column, first color. Click the fills tab under the background color and click the no color, click OK. So go to the orders and go to the custom formats, font color is bold and italics, and font style is to bold and italics, and click the color arrow, theme color and click the first color, fill tab is no colors. So color arrow, theme color is the last column, first colors. So last column last column the first colors. So last column in the first color. Font is black, bold italics and theme and first color, and fill tab is background is no color. Fill color is no colors. Click OK and again OK. Bold and italics and gray in accent 6 and click OK. So next is select the range A40 to A42. Press centers and style groups and click the conditional formatting, data bars, gradient fill, or in data bars. So go to the home tabs and go to the conditional formattings and click the data bars is gradient fill or in data bars. Gradient fill or in data bars. Gradient fill or in data bars. And next is F40 to F42. So copy the range and paste the range, press centers. And next is editing groups, find and select and click the replace. So find and replace, and editing groups, find and replace, and find what is region and replace with the region controls. So find what is region and replace is region controls. Region controls. And next is click the replacers and 30 replacements. So click the replacers. So all done, we made to 30 replacements. And find what is, click the close. So if you want to complete assignments or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and upload the assignment and check the score. So save the files and upload the file and check the scores. So close the files and Excel 2A inventory trees, click opens. So open the Excel 2A inventory trees. So open the Excel 2 inventory and upload the file and check the scores. So upload the files and check the scores. Excel 2A inventory trees, Excel 2A trees inventories, and click opens and click the uploads. So upload the Excel 2A trees inventory text box. Click continue and So you can see the Excel 2A tree inventory. Current score is 99%. Current score is 99%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email if you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So check the score is Excel 2 trees inventories 99%.